Your life isn't broken. It's just running on outdated software. And 2026 is your chance to hit the system reset. Listen, most people treat a new year like it's some magical portal that's going to transform them while they sleep. They wake up January 1st expecting to be different. But here's what actually happens. They carry the same habits, the same excuses, and the same version of themselves into a fresh calendar year. And by February, they're back to exactly where they were. But you're not going to do that. Because a real reset isn't about making promises. It's about making decisions. And decisions require clarity. So let's get clear. What's the one thing that's been holding you back? Not 10 things. One thing. Maybe it's fear. Maybe it's comfort. Maybe it's the voice in your head that keeps telling you that you're not ready. Whatever it is, name it right now. Because you can't reset what you refuse to recognize. Now, here's the truth about resetting your life. It's not about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you actually are, underneath all the noise, underneath the expectations, underneath the versions of yourself you created just to survive. The reset is about coming back to your core, and 2026 is giving you permission to do that, to strip away what doesn't serve you, to rebuild from intention instead of obligation, to choose yourself even when it feels selfish, especially when it feels selfish. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Start with one morning routine that honors your energy. Start with one boundary that protects your peace. Start with one choice that aligns with the life you actually want to live. Because here's what nobody tells you. The life you want is on the other side of the life you're willing to release. And that release starts with acceptance. Accepting that where you are right now is exactly where you're supposed to be. Not because it's perfect, but because it's real. And real is where transformation begins. So stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings are unreliable. What you need is commitment. Commit to showing up for yourself, even when you don't feel like it. Commit to doing. If this message lit something inside you, don't ignore it. Like, subscribe, and stay with me on this journey of becoming better every day. Your reset starts now.